p.m. Thursday. For Morrow County. What? South to southwest winds 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 60 miles an hour expected. Where? Erie, Huron, Richland, and Morrow counties. When? From 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Thursday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive.